Welcome back to this beautiful day of Dollywood's Harvest Festival. This is part 2 of my 3-part series. I hope you enjoy it.
But Eli's always on red. He would have to wait.
This one? Yeah, it's supposed to be a like.
Thank